morning. This is the second day in Phuket, actually third day. And so today आज का plan क्या है? James Bond Island जाना. Sleep deprived हूँ. Slept at around 3 o'clock, waking up at 7. अभी गाड़ी में थोड़ा सोऊंगा. देखते हैं अभी क्या क्या होता है. I'll keep you updated on that.
'Cause when we try to do things right, it always ends up with a fight. It's really messing with my head. Too bad, my friend, she said. But I'm tortured. Drop dead for me. Won't you just drop dead? Drop dead for me.
So after driving for an hour, हम इस जगह पे पहुँचे हैं. यहाँ से बोट होगी. We're gonna have breakfast right now. So the breakfast is included in the package. और यहाँ पे एक Thai dessert है. This is something interesting. Steamed rice with coconut milk, topping by custard, coconut. Let's try. यहाँ की स्पेशलिटी है ये जो जैम्स वगैरह होते हैं, मॉइस्चराइजर जैसे ऐसे पैक्स में आते हैं. So you have to just squeeze.
Sorry, 1 hour. We're going to the swimming one more time. 15 minutes. This is Dragon Beach. Dragon Beach.
और ये बोट के लिए जो गैसोलीन लगता है उसके स्टेशन यहाँ पे उन्होंने इंस्टॉल किए हैं जस्ट नेक्स्ट टू द शोर. और ये सी चप्पल जो भी उनको उसको बोलते हैं ये हमने लिए हैं ताकि कट्स ना हो व्हेन वी आर इन द ओशन. नीचे जो पॉइंटेड ये जो होते हैं वाटर बॉडीज, नीचे जो पॉइंटेड ऑब्जेक्ट वगैरह होते हैं उससे कट ना हो, आहाना के लिए भी लिया है. तो वी आर नॉट यूजिंग द रेगुलर चप्पल्स इनसाइड द ओशन व्हेन वी गो फॉर अ स्विम. और ये देखो नज़ारा.
I think I like that instead.
Dada's chappal looks like a yellow fish.
So these are floating blocks. ये ब्रिज बनाया है उसका floating blocks का. Hold my hand, baby, okay?
I'm moving very much. I'm
Okay.
scared.
Yeah, don't be scared.
It's looking scary, na?
No, baby, it's not scary at all. Just maintain your balance. Lot of boats here.
It's okay, 2 presents.
So this is the first island when we are stopping. Yao Yai Island, and Ahana is trying to balance again. Wonderful, wonderful view. Look at that. Better आप देखो. Better balancing कर रही है. Very clean water. Blue water जिसे कहते हैं. यहाँ पे actual blue water है. यहाँ पे सिर्फ फीट वेट कर रहे हैं. एक्चुअली गेटिंग इनटू द वाटर विल डू एट द नेक्स्ट आइलैंड. यहाँ उन्होंने बाउंड्री ऐसे बना के रखी है. इसके अंदर ही आपको रहना है स्विमिंग के लिए. देयर इज Ahana मेकिंग अ सेकंड सैंड कैसल.
I need wet sand to make my sand castle.
किड्स का एक है कि द muddier they get, the happier they are. See how happy she is now. So 40 minutes का स्टॉप है यहाँ पर. You have to just chill. Water sports है, speed boats, jet ski. Kids can play in the sand. You can enjoy the beaches, click some photographs. There are some cafes you see in the background. Also over there, there's ATV ride. Beds over there to have sun baths. Scope. Now the second halt, it is Yao Yai Island, Dragon Beach. The first one was also Yao Yai, but the name was something else. This is Dragon Beach, and this is much more cleaner. This is like white sand beach. Have a look. It's white sand and it is in the shape of a dragon.
And actually,
Check it out.
the sand is actually hot.
Yeah. Huh.
The shade is
Lovely. And my baby is coming to me running for swimming. She's in a swimming costume. Come beta, come. इस तरफ जाने वाले हैं अभी पानी के अंदर. There are some people out there, so we can go up to that point. So Ahana and I are swimming. Yeah. Salty water?
Come on, two. Papa, are you bullying me? 1,
2, 3, go. Arey, it did not even go down. Now what happened? Now what happened? You are swimming. You were not going for the swimming classes, and you were saying that I know swimming. Now what?
No, I never said I know swimming.
And we have spotted a jellyfish on the shore here. Oh, look at here, look at here. It went here. Very soft. Very soft. You see? It's not moving though. Not sure if it's alive or dead. It's like actually a jelly. So now this is the third spot for lunch. We are waiting here. This is called NewFern Restaurant in traditional Thai structure architecture.
If there is something we need, it's a leap of faith.
3 stops that we've had. This is the fanciest one so far. यहाँ पे मज़ा आ रहा है. यहाँ पे actual feel आ रहा है. वो जो villas वगैरह होते हैं ना. But it's a restaurant. As it's a village, so the livelihood of these people is by selling those items to tourists who come over here. तो कुछ थोड़ा बहुत खरीद लो यहाँ पे.
World out there, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful.
At the lunch area, they have NewFern Pearl Showroom, where they have a lot of pearl ornaments on display. They also have shops for selling clothes, toys, and other fancy items. They even have a section for footwear and a small cafe that sells ice cream, chips, etc. Ahana loved this baby elephant showpiece, so we bought it for her. Okay, so the lunch is good. They have veg and non-veg option. So this is the chicken that I've taken. This is fried chicken. This is pad thai. मुझे अच्छा लगता है. This is fried rice. Again fried chicken. This is onion ring. ये मेदू वड़े जैसा लगता है, but this is onion ring. This is tom yum soup, seafood, and there are some chutneys, Thai sauces, spicy ones, and sweet and spicy one. And this is one drink. Which drink is this, Ahana?
Raspberry Fanta.
And Ahana has taken some noodles here. And what is this, Ahana?
Sauce.
Yeah, this is sauce. ये है उनका पूरा dining area. काफ़ी बड़ा है. It's massive. Eating arrangement is very good. ये traditional Thai type interiors, and overall experience is fabulous. So we have reached at James Bond Island right now. 40 मिनट रुकने का यहाँ पे प्लान है. ये एक नेशनल पार्क भी है, Phang Nga National Park. This is a mind-blowing visual. What a rock! What a big rock this is. So this rock over here is leaning, is inclined on the other rock.
Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. It can be a bit frightening, something you don't know.
तो इन स्टेयर से हम अभी ऊपर जा रहे हैं. देखते क्या है, कैसा व्यू है. यहाँ एक छोटा मंदिर दिख रहा है उनका, थाई लोगों का. This is the monkey. This one is very wild. यहाँ पे ऐसे उतर रहे हैं towards the ocean again.
But no monkey spotted.
This is the only monkey that we have.
Need a little enlightening, it'll make you grow. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare.
Look at these rocks. ये देखो, ये hanging है almost. Okay, ये वाला जो rock देखा आपने, ये hanging है. Maybe because of the waves, उनका corrosion हो गया थोड़ा. From the bottom side, they've got cut because of the sea waves splashing. और ऊपर ऐसे ये structure form हो गया है. Too good, too good. और यहाँ washroom facility भी है. तो जेम्स बॉन्ड आइलैंड में काफ़ी फ़ोटो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं. दिस इज़ अ फैंटास्टिक प्लेस. आई थिंक यहाँ पे पैसा वसूल है पूरा. उतरते हैं कैनोइंग के लिए. सो ये थी हमारी बोट. Going through these narrow caves at Phang Island is one of the best experiences that we have had on the entire Thailand trip. It was adventurous but mind-blowing, and everyone must have this experience. Do not miss this. Wow, amazing. Anna, you have to get your head down a bit. Now we're going inside the cave. Awesome. This is experience of a lifetime. Oh my God! Look at this! Yeah. हम अभी सो रहे हैं. हम literally अभी सो रहे हैं. ये देखो.
Oh my God, this was an adventure.
Awesome! And this was the experience of a lifetime. We were completely lying on that canoe while going through the cave, and when we came out on the other side of the mountain, it was like a whole new world altogether. This was one cave. There is one more cave inside through which we'll be going, and I'll be recording it through iPhone for a better low light photography. And after that, we'll be again returning from that second cave and returning from this first cave also. So there are 4 times in total that we went through this cave experience.
ये देखो, ये दूसरी एक केव है एकदम लो लाइन. नाउ आई एम कैप्चरिंग इट थ्रू माय आईफोन, क्योंकि GoPro Hero 9 है मेरे पास, जिसमें लो लाइट कंडीशंस में इतना पावरफुल परफॉर्मेंस नहीं है उसका, बट आईफोन का अच्छा आता है इन लो लाइट. वाह, look at this. Awesome. खाली के थोड़ा रोको तुझे. My God. खतरनाक. वो सो गया हूँ मैं ऐसे, तो सोते ही रहने का मन कर रहा है. इट इज सो रिलैक्सिंग ओवर हियर. साउंड ऑफ द वेव्स, ग्रीनरी, वाटर, caves.
And the sound of...
I think those are monkeys.
No, I have monkey. I have only bird. In the morning we cannot come in here because of warm morning high tide and water is too high.
Okay.
Yeah, see, look, see water level.
Yeah, the water levels,
high
yeah.
tide.
It had reached high.
Yeah.
So we do not come here this side in the
yeah.
morning, is it?
And let's cover the way we can come in here
Yeah.
and the water level.
तो कह रहे हैं मॉर्निंग में काफ़ी ज़्यादा लेवल था वाटर का, इसलिए यहाँ पे रोड ट्रिप लेके नहीं आए थे इस केव में. अभी थोड़ा कम हो गया पानी, तो जिसकी वजह से वो लेके आए ट्रिप, ताकि पैसेंजर्स का सिर लगे ना रॉक्स को.
Hear the sounds, it is so nice. Wow.
सी एक ट्रिप.
Yeah, madam.
ये देखो अभी मैडम की और छोटे मैडम की नई स्टाइल है,
निकल फोटो.
पानी में पैर डाल के. सो अगेन ये एक और केव से हम लोग अभी वापस जा रहे हैं दूसरी तरफ. थर्ड टाइम होगा ये थर्ड है केव. ये थर्ड ऐसा केव है जिसमें से हम अंदर जा रहे हैं. सिया बी केयरफुल. आहना बी केयरफुल. लाई डाउन.
High enough to sit on.
वाह,
Okay, everything is allowed now.
मज़ा आ गया. लिटरली मज़ा आ गया.
This was an amazing experience.
एकदम अमेजिंग. देखो अभी यहाँ से आ रहे हैं, हम लोग जा रहे हैं अंदर.
Left hand and right hand.
लेफ्ट हैंड एंड राइट हैंड. बी केयरफुल.
Baby, be careful your hand.
Oh my God.
आना, लेफ्ट एंड राइट हैंड. बी केयरफुल. ओके.
You can actually twist yourself like this inside.
Okay.
वाह,
And look upward, mummy rock upward.
Up.
Yeah, and someone look at you. The top of the
Oh yeah.
top, yeah.
Right, yeah, this is the mummy rock.
That's a cool head.
It feels as if like a mummy is there looking at us. Bend down, Anna, lie down.
Be careful, very sharp, yeah.
Oh.
You can touch, but be careful when touch it because very sharp, like an easy because you
Yeah, very sharp. Anna, don't touch, okay?
The baby oyster, yeah. So that's sharp, very sharp.
Wow. Experience of a lifetime, man. What do you think?
Those videos won't do
Yeah.
justice to
एक्सपीरियंस करने के बाद में ही पता चलेगा कि कितना स्पेशल है ये.
Oh, if you had the will and the moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there.
Awesome. And we had an amazing boat guide as well. He took us to the spot where there was a heart-shaped window to the sky, formed by the leaves and branches of the trees.
The blue guy upward, yeah.
If you have the will and a moment to spare.
और यहाँ पर ये हार्ट शेप्ड ऐसे स्काई दिख रहा है आपको. So this is the heart shaped sky spot. All this is happening at Phang Island.
Honeymoon room.
Yeah. यहाँ देखो ये फर्स्ट फ्लोर, सेकंड फ्लोर रूम है चेक इन के लिए. Cave. No hotel experience can compare with this. No hotel experience can beat this. Awesome.
the best thing.
This is the fifth one, and there's one more island left, which is the sixth one. They're not going to stop on that island, but they're just going to show it from the ship because there's nothing over there. We are doing 6 island hoppings. Now finally we are out in the open, out of those caves, heading back again to our ship.
Guys, when I'm done, you have to see where I throw it. I will keep it on above some rock. You guys have to take it if you come here.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is like a side cut of a face, half Buddha. That's what they call this rock. Eyes, nose, ऐसे.
Oh, if you had the will and a moment to spare.
So that's Phang Island, and it is the best thing, okay, that we experienced in the entire tour. Name, sir?
Omaya.
Oh Maya, thanks a lot for showing around the place.
Welcome and have a good day. Have a good day.
Awesome. So finally, the James Bond Island tour has concluded. They have dropped us near to a hotel. This is the Patong Beach, and we are staying at Raiburi Hotel, which is just 30 seconds away from Patong Beach. And look at the sunset on the horizon. So beautiful. Sunset had just happened. So all in all, a great tour. I would rate it totally 5 on 5. And I'll also share the number of the tour agent through whom we did the bookings, so that you can also approach him. We got the best rate, and there were other agents that were selling at around 1800 baht, but this guy gave it for 1400 baht. So this is like a killer deal that we got, and it was a total 5 on 5 experience. Highly recommended. See you in the next vlog.
It's a